What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a very beautiful tweak. This tweak will redesign the passcode screen to a modern twist. Simply unlock your device with a custom drawing that you set up. As you see, just draw to unlock your device. This tweak is designed to be a complete passcode replacement, but you always have the option to use your normal passcode as well. This tweak gives the user a full customization over how they want it to look and feel. Okay, now I will show you how to download, install and activate the tweak. First, open Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source, Havoc source. Or just add my source to your sources lists. After adding the source, go to the search here search for Scribble tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. This tweak is wonderful and beautiful and I recommend you to try it. It will allow you to unlock your device easily by drawing any drawing you want, and it is completely free tweak. Now all you have to do is install the tweak. Click modify, install, confirm. I installed the tweak, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings, scroll down and search for the tweak. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you will do here is activate the tweak from here. Now here you can change the style to blurred or paint. Also you can change the stroke size. From here you can change the paint colors. From here you can change the unlock animation and enable fast unlock. The most important option here is change password option. Through this option you can choose the drawing with which you want to unlock your device. Before drawing up, make sure guys that you have activated the passcode on your device. If you don't activate the passcode, this tweak will not work. Also guys, make sure to use 4-digit or 6-digit passcode only. Okay, now I will change the drawing. I made a drawing before and I will now put it in order to make a new drawing. Now I will create the new drawing. As you see, you need to do this 3 times. You need to draw the drawing 3 times. Alright, the last one. Okay, how does this tweak work? Simply, when you unlock your device, you will see the new lock screen. And this is the tweak. Now just draw the drawing you made in the tweak settings to unlock your device. And this is simply the tweak. This tweak is simple and beautiful and I recommend you guys to give it a try. You will find the tweak source below the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.